Hey there, it's just Dotty. Just Dotty, I'm fantastic. I'm just here practicing. I'm gonna try and sit and play guitar. So I learned something new for the song Stand By Me that me and my friend are trying to do together. Oh, yank that out. I don't usually sit, I usually stand. Oh, I'm too far. Sorry. Oh, I'm gonna get caught on something. It's really high, this bench, and I'm just short. Okay, let's see if I can do this. I learned something new. Check. Oh, that's nice and close. Okay, I'm just gonna practice this, cause I'm just learning. I'm having a hard time holding my pick. I got this cat tongue pick. It's scratchy, but I'm having problems with my fingers. I have MS, and I have a lot of numbness in my fingers, so I can't feel how hard I'm holding on to it. And that's one of the reasons why I lose it, but it's moving around in my hand too, so I miss the pointy bit. So it's a bit difficult. Especially doing this, once it gets started. And it makes me mess up my chords. Like, I know this song. I've played it a million times. Where's my... stand. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand. So I have to do it on my hand. Okay, I'm gonna play a little song. When the night, okay, when the night has come, the land is dark, and the moon is the only I really see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand behind me. So darling, darling, stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. I don't even know if it's right as a guitar player, but I'm gonna do it because it's me. It's my choice what to do. Did you hear it? Stop that because that's like 100 minutes. Okay, I'm plugged in. I gotta move this. I think you're supposed to turn off. Oh, right. Ooh. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. Not very coordinated. I'm gonna put my guitar away now before I do anything else. This is actually like kind of like a sound check, but I